Hey guys, welcome back, Gaming Lord here, and today it's all about shortcut keys, Windows shortcut keys, and at the end we have a special gadget for you guys. Hopefully you like it. Um, so before we get into the Windows shortcut key stuff, make sure you like this video. It encourages me a lot, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on that little bell. Hey, to not miss my videos, you have to do that. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and I'm gonna show you some Windows shortcut keys. Let's go. So the first thing is all about the stuff that you already know, and that is first thing is our good old copy paste. Good old copy paste. You must know this, okay? If you don't know this, and you will be called a computer noob, okay? So make sure you know this. I know 100% of my viewers know this, but if you don't know, hey, you can learn that now. And then another one is Control X. Again, most of the people will know this. If they don't know, they're called noobs again. So Control X and then Control V, cut and paste. And then another one is Control P. It gives you options for the prints. So that's all pretty common stuff. So and then we have Control S, and that's the save. And these most of people will know this. I'm not surprised if most of people already know this. So from here, it gets a bit complicated. Some people might know, some people might not know. So for example, you're on a laptop, and once you're selecting all the stupid junk and you run out of trackpad space. I know, it's very annoying, and then you have to select the whole thing again. So how do you overcome this? So first thing is you hit shift and then arrow keys. The text automatically starts being selected, and you don't have to go to the trouble of selecting the whole text using your trackpad. So see, that's I'm not using the trackpad, by the way. I'm using the keyboard. Really. See this? And then if you have selected that, hit Control X, and hit Control V again, bam, it's pasted. It's very easy. You don't have to go to the trouble of doing this. I'm telling you. Oh no, I ran out of trackpad space. Dang it. You don't have to do that. You don't have to, oh no, I ran out of trackpad space. No, and then you have to go ahead and select again, and then have to pull it all over. No, you don't have to do that. It's pretty simple, and it's very useful as well. So, and then another thing is the Windows key. For example, you can see I have a bunch of stuff on my taskbar, right? I want to open the second program, and that is the Windows Explorer. So hit Windows key plus 2. I'm not exaggerating. Hit Windows key plus 2. Bam! Look at that. That thing opens right up. So for example, so you might be thinking I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How do I open the 11th the 11th whatever the 11th program? So hit Windows key and one really fast. No, it doesn't work. It doesn't work, guys. It doesn't work. If you hit 1, the first program opens. So if you have the actual keys less than the actual programs less than number 10, you can get this going pretty easily. You can see, for example, this is program number 3, so 4. Google Chrome opens right up. So not really a necessity, but hey, good to know. And then another new one. This works only in Google Chrome according to my experiments. So it is called Control plus T tab. Everybody knows it. For example, I type in YouTube. Loading. Yep. You go to YouTube now, and you can see this is YouTube. And no, I closed the tab by, man, I'm watching some really important video, guys. And you close the tab out of frustration, and then now what do you do? It's pretty simple. You hit Control, Shift, and T. Bam, that tab is recovered. You don't have to worry. I use this all the time. Then I just close the tab. Bam, no, and then I hit Control, Shift, and T. Bam, that's back. And all the stuff will be saved. For example, see this Pokemon video up here. Close that, and then reopen it up again. that Pokemon video is still there. So that's pretty cool. And then if you want to open the file explorer really fastly, you hit Windows key and E. Bam, that opens up. And then if you want to open the settings, Windows and I, bam, that also opens up. I mean, we have this loaded on the RAM, so that's why this is going blip fast, but otherwise it'll take some time. So hey, and then other shortcut is the snipping tool. For example, if you don't know what snipping tool, you go here and then hit try snip and sketch. See that? Press Windows key plus Shift and S. That's the next this thing that I'm talking about. It's Windows Shift and S. Bam. This is the shortcut for snipping tool. For example, I want to snip that. Bam, and then I open Word. Control V. Bam. That's pasted. You don't have to open snipping tool manually. So that's pretty dang sweet. And if you're using that still old print screen option like this and then like that, you can really nail that down. If you wanna only select like this part or whatever, you don't have to do, you know, like this. Sort of might seem a bit I don't know. You go here, you hit Control X or something like that. You go to photo editor or something, photos. You do that. You don't have to do that. Go there and crop it. No, you don't have to do that. You can just do this. Windows Shift and S. Want to select this only? Do that, and then it'll say snip save to clipboard, and then hit Control V. Bam. You get that only part. You don't get the stupid all over stuff again. So that is pretty cool. But now I'm showing you the real kicker, and that is Windows key plus semicolon key brings you the emoji. This is in Windows, and this says tip press and the period. The period does not work for me because this is not a QWERTY keyboard. This is an AZERTY keyboard, and the period is right above semicolon. So you have to hit Shift lock and that. Then only are you gonna get that period key. So that might seem a bit bit anticlimactic, but hey, it will work out. So that's it for this video. So hopefully you like this shortcut video. Hey, I forgot one. No, I didn't forget one. This is actually pretty cool, and I use it every time. So for example, I hit Control X, okay? That's saved to my clipboard. Now I hit Control V, bam. Then I hit some random text, and then I select that up again, and then I again hit Control C, okay? So now I want this image to be pasted again. I don't want this text, because if I Control V, only that text is gonna be pasted. So for example, it's by default that if you select a text like before, after you selected the picture, it'll paste the text first. You won't get this. So in order to do that, in order to get back this one and not go over the trouble of getting that and copying that again, you hit Windows and V. Windows key plus V, and see, this is my clipboard, okay? You hit that. This is my clipboard. I can paste anything from here. Like that, bam. I know that's pretty fun, guys. I use that pretty much every time. Hopefully you guys you like this video. And as I said, there's a bonus device that I want to show you guys to add up 5 more minutes just for the fun of it and the videos. So hey, let's jump into that, and please subscribe. I'll bring out quality content like this pretty much every day unless I run into some issue. So hey, so it's worth subscribing to my channel. So please drop that thumbs up button, subscribe, and ring that bell. I'll see you next time, and I'll show you that cool gadget that you all guys have been waiting for.